What's good? What's good? What's good? What up, everybody? Sorry, I'm a little hyped up today. Let's take a look at these charts. That's a good coffee this morning. Drinking some Bustelo. You know, the only one, or the one and only, I should say. Best coffee. It's like crack, literally, man. You haven't had real coffee till you have some Bustelo. Yes, sir. Okay, let's get started today, man. I'm getting just messages this morning. Alrighty, so I guess we should come in and point out the obvious. The market is tanking. There is a goddamn bloodbath on the Qs here and the SPY. We've broken out of this range that we were stuck in for about what, entire week. And yes, looks like we're finally coming down. Let me get this thing going on SPY as well, on the ES. Let's clean this whole chart out, clear everything out. There we go. And let's go to the hourly real quick. We'll mark this next area of support. The SPY, we're kind of past that support zone. We're kind of headed down here towards this gap. So let's mark support before the gap. And I guess we could use this as an order block here. Let's use this could be your demand zone. And this could be our demand zone for the Qs right here. It's important so that we know where the buyers are sitting, right? We know where the buyers are. They're going to be at previous lows. It's going to be buyers. Okay, we have this gap down here as well in the Qs. We'll mark that up. I don't know how bearish the market is going to be today, but we can start marking up these zones. ¿Qué lo que? ¿Qué lo que? Ahí te veo. Aquí marcando el gap. There's a gap on the chart. And see how it looks on the Q. So on the Qs, the gap starts here. And ends down here. Okay, so we know that gaps like to fill, which is why it's important for us to have this on the chart. And what else? Let's get this one as this one on the Q's marked as well. Slide it all the way to the right. There we go. Now we have our gap. Okay, so I don't want to go too far out from where we are, where the price action is right here. I don't think we're gonna need to go too far. So let's just stay here, and we're gonna say, okay, we got the support of this range. We got a breakout of that support. I'm gonna mark this red because now I'm looking for this support to turn into resistance as we go up right now, right? Price is going up right now. So let's wait for that to act as resistance, or maybe we find this previous resistance here to continue to hold. So we can mark this red as well. So resistance. Okay. If I want to sell, I want to find resistance where I can sell at. If I want to buy, I want to find support where I can buy it. So with that being the case, we can wait for price to go up, let it do its thing. Most likely, right, because we gap down, we're gonna go up at open, probably find some sellers as we go up, and then we'll look for some shorts somewhere up here. And I think we also have another trend line here on the Qs right there. So I want to see resistance at any of these lines. If we pass these zones of resistance, then I'm looking for them to act as support, and then I'll look for resistance up here next. Or we could also find resistance up here if we do start by ripping in the morning. But let's not worry about that yet. Let's just keep it nice and clean price action. And that's all good for the Qs. Let's go down to the 5 minute where we'll watch the open. Here is the opening candle. Here is the opening candle. We look like maybe a double bottom down here. Okay. You see this? Price came down and it's reversing. Okay, so that's a double bottom. There's a chance we can find support here and maybe shoot up from here, shoot up to these areas of resistance, and then possibly get it to move down after that. Good morning, Manny. What's up, man? How you doing? Okay, so that way we got the Qs ready. We got the S&P almost ready. Just marking our zones of resistance. Where we could possibly sell from on the SPY. Go to 15 now, go down. What else can we see here? We have support here. And that's about it for now. No, actually, this is a Qs. My bad. Go to the ES real quick. There it is, ES. Find resistance there, or we could find resistance here. And then we got this one as well, just in case. Right there. All right, now our chart's ready. Chart is ready now. Let's go ahead and add our indicators for the day. There we go. Yep. So we had that double bottom here. We saw that pullback. That's what I was waiting for. We got that pullback. Now it's pushing up. Probably gonna get a push up to those highs. There it is, double bottom, pullback. That's exactly how you trade those double bottoms. Break the neck, pulls back. You see buyers here. This is where you enter. This is where you enter buys right here. Stop below here. Get a 1-to-1, 1-to-2. Let's go for a 1-to-1. See if we can get a 1-to-1 here. Bam, right there. Okay, we're at support on the Qs. We're at support. We look back, we have support there. That's why we're seeing buyers there. We have a gap above. We have a huge gap above. We have a gap below, up ahead as well. Just looking for a little scalp here. I might go for a 1-to-1 or something like that. 1-to-1.5. Okay. I'm trading this double bottom reversal. Double bottom reversal, break, pull back and retest. Confirmation, buyers are there. Right? Everything's there, everything's here on the charts. You gotta develop the ability to see it before it happens. She's going, she's going, she's going. Let's see if we could get a 1-to-1.5. 1-to-1. Right there. Keep it a little bit tighter. There we go. There we go. So far we had a very weak red candle at open. We had two strong bullish candles. There's a chance we could go a little bit higher before we start seeing some selling. So I'm waiting for that push from the buyers. Get us a little bit higher up here, and I'm out. I'm just taking a quick scalp here. Just a piece of the pie with it. I got my market order ready to go. As soon as this thing goes up there, I'm out. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, you're almost there. Come on, you're almost there. Come on. Come on. That's it. Come on. Get us up there. Get us up there. We're very far away from the 21 moving average. So this has plenty of room to go up. I'm not liking this double top. It's like a minor double top here. When you see those double wicks, right? When you get to candlesticks, I don't know if you can see that, but I'll draw it out for you real quick. Let's say you get two candlesticks here. One's red, one's green, and then you get both of these candles have wicks on the top like this. That's also a double top as well. It's just visible on a much lower time frame. That's why it looks like that, but that's a double top there as well. So since we do know that, that's why we don't like this. We want to see, there we go, follow through. All right, so while we are in this candlestick, if we return back here, I think I'll close it. All right, we got a decent close on that one. Not very strong, but we'll hold. Still early. We have a lot of space up above. That's that. See, that's that double top right here. It's a very small double top right here. No bueno, no bueno. Come on, buyers, hold this up. There we go. There we go. All right, that's not much selling here going on. I'm liking that. Volume is low. Candles are small. Come on, can we get one more push? Maybe we can get one more before it goes down. There's a small bullish fair value gap here. Looking for price to hold above. Looking for price to hold above here. Perhaps can pull back, push up. Right, give us a pull flag. Give us a bull flag or something. Come on, buyers. Y'all in there or what? If we're pushing very strong, I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna wait to get to resistance. There we go. Staying above the bullish fair value gap here. We got a strong hammer candle. Come on, we need this push. It's no good if we close below that candle. It's no good. It's no good. All right, we're still here, man. This market's not going up. What's going on, man? Ah. Come on, man. So close. So close. I'm going to close this break even. Let's close this break even. It was a good try. It was a good try, guys. That's all it was. Now we look for the next one. We look for the next one. That would have been some real good money on futures, man. I took my entry here, and I was up. I think over here I was up like $8. Futures, that would have been $1,000. Quick $1,000. Oh snap! The fair value gap's holding up. Fair value gap's holding up. Oh damn! What? Candle here. All right. Oh, this thing did not hold. This thing did not hold. It was that double top here. Oh, no, good. That double top here on the NQ gave it away. This double top right here. See those two little wicks, bum bum, right there. Reverse right from there. Jeez. It's probably targeting these lows right here. See something like this. If we're going down, we'll see a lower high. If we're going down, we'll see a lower high. Because what happens if you sell here? Okay, if you sell here, what happens if you sell here and then market does this? Then now you're stuck down here with a sell, and then now the market pushes up to create a lower high for your entries down here. So you enter here, you take a loss, and then it starts to push down and you enter here again, right? I like to rather enter up here. I like to enter high, sell on the highs. Sell the highs of the move. This looks like it could be support here. We have news. At 10 a.m. we have new home sales. We'll probably get a good move around that time. 10:05. Gotta sit tight, wait for a good opportunity here. We've known the market to be very unpredictable lately in the mornings. The afternoon or the lunchtime is now when it's best time to trade. It's weird. So let's be patient here, wait for a good setup. Alright, looks like buyers are stepping in kind of strong here. I may jump back on buys here. Depending how this candle closes. Depending how this candle closes, we could take some calls. Very strong candle. And the strength is weak. Started off strong and it's finishing at a weak finish. Strong start, weak finish. Would like to see the volume spike up on this next candle here. We get a volume spike would be nice. Volume spike and a strong finish. Can we get it? Can we get it, fellas? Can we get it? Come on. Oh, that completely flipped. That was crazy. All right. So it's a reversal. It's going down. So if we close below the 21 right here, it's going to flush. Looking for it to flush. It's not even 10 a.m. yet. I don't know why this thing's passing out. It's not even 10 a.m. yet. Okay, so there's that lower high, right? There's that lower high. This could be our lower high now. This could be lower high. Today's gonna be a quick day. I'm gonna only stick around maybe till like 10:30. So it's just gonna be a quick, brief trading day today. It's gonna be short and sweet. Oh wow, look at that, man. That's manipulation right there, you see? Where they make it look like it's going down, you know what I mean? Right. These last two candles right here indicating price is going down, and now it's going up. That's manipulation right there at its finest. Beautiful. It's perfected right there, man. That thing is just perfect. Picture perfect manipulation. Oh, maybe it doesn't go up. And we got these lower highs. We got these lower highs on these candles. We got equal highs on these two candles. See what we can get here. Maybe we could get a setup by 10:30. Hopefully. All right, 3 more minutes until new home sales report comes out. Look at all these candles here with these wicks above. Price is getting pushed down, basically is what it's showing. Getting pushed, tries to go up, push, tries to go up, push, tries to go up, pushed. For some reason sellers are interested in bringing his price down here. But even with this candle right here with high volume, there was no follow through. There was not a second red candle. So this is how you point out the liar. That's how you point out the liar. Oh boy, it's gonna be another slow morning, man. I hate it this way, man. I miss the old days where the morning was good and you'd be done by 10:30 or you'd be done by 10 o'clock. And then you just go enjoy your day, hit the gym, go to the pool, whatever. Now it's like we're stuck here for 3 hours just to take one trade. Oh Lord. Alright, she's going up. It's 10 o'clock. Let's see. New home sales report. 10 a.m. All right, so what are you guys up to, man? How's everybody doing today? You guys having a good day? Everybody get some good sleep. Some morning coffee, maybe, perhaps. Friday surprises, yep. That's right. That's right. Except this surprise is not good. Usually tends to be good surprises, but this time it's bad surprises. So far, I guess. They still not over, but it's putting me to sleep a little bit. I might take a little nap and then come back. Come back later. Maybe at like 2 p.m. or something. See how the market's doing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this aside here for a second. Let me see. Put this aside here. Hold on, guys. I'll move this. Bear with me here. Okay. I'm gonna move you guys to this screen. There we go. Oh, didn't do that. A second. I gotta fix this up for a second. Put you guys back in here. Okay, there we go. Now I got it. I'll bring you guys back in here. There we go. Alright, we're good. We are good to go. Let's put the sound over here next. Gotta be careful here with the 21 EMA coming down on the S&P. We could see some bearish action there. Let's keep an eye out for that. Yeah, that's what I was saying right here about the S&P crashing with the 21 EMA. Yeah, just gotta be careful here. It could turn back. Slightly different here on the Qs. She's going. She's going up. We're getting close to that resistance. We could see some sellers stepping in there. So if you're on buys, don't overstay. Make sure you get in and get out of there as soon as you can. Looks like we're rejecting the 21. This is one of those days where it might be best to trade the afternoon. It's good to have already some supply zones and the main zones to trade from on the chart. And since the price gap down overnight, it's not giving us any supply and demand to go from. And as we gain those buyers, we reached that resistance zone that we were expecting earlier. This is exactly what I was waiting for, except we wasn't expecting that pullback. Starting to see a long wick here, so it's indicating there's some sellers here at resistance. we're seeing some weak buyers here at resistance. Will we get some strong sellers is what I'm wondering now. All right, looks like market's taking a break up here. Oh, there we go. We're starting to see a little bit of sells now. For this to really come down, we'll have to see definitely a change in structure. Broken support, something like that. Because this could just rip all day. This could rip all day. right, looks like we're starting to reverse. Starting to see a bear trap there on the QQQ, meaning this could continue going higher. Possibility. I don't know if I would enter there though, but it is showing potential to go higher. You know that much. Buyers are in still. As long as this continues making higher highs and higher lows, I mean, it's gonna keep going up. Man, I think I'm gonna call it a day there for today. I'm gonna end early today. Thank you guys for jumping in on the live. I'll see you all next time. Peace.